Good day guys! Dito, siguradong love at first bite ka. Dahil, lahat ng pagkain dito magugustuhan mo. At dito lang yan, sa Food Club Festival Mall Alabang Branch. Welcome to Food Club Alabang Branch. Location nga pala nito guys at East Wing, Upper Ground Festival Mall Alabang, Muntinlupa City. To all foodies out there, taga-south ka man o north, meron na tayong bagong dapat dayuhin sa Festival Mall Alabang. Food Club, your lifestyle buffet. Sobrang accommodating and friendly ang mga crew dito. Food Club Alabang will be your all-time favorite unlimited buffet and pastry as well. Wala ka nang hahanapin pang iba. Sobrang daming food of choices, but not overwhelming. Naghahanap ka ba to celebrate small or big wins from the ambience na sobrang spacious ng place? Na may 100 plus dishes plus no time limits. Swear you will love here and I love them. Tanungin mo naman ako kung masarap ang pagkain nila. Yes. All in all experience, 10 over 10 ang aking experience here. Pero syempre, asahan mo talagang madaming pila. Kaya, okay lang. Can wait kasi talagang sure na masarap ang pagkain nila. Sa sobrang dami mo na talagang pagpipilian, wala ka naman talagang time maubos lahat, no? Pero, gaya ng sabi ko, lahat naman ng pagkain dito is hindi ka ma-overwhelm kasi lahat naman naka-separate at talagang well-organized ang kanilang mga food area. You will definitely enjoy the unlimited buffet. International cuisine. They have Asian, Chinese, Western, Japanese. For as low as 788 ang lunch dito and 898 pesos for dinner and 1,088 pesos on weekends. Additional guys, meron din silang VIP rooms na may 2 function rooms na can accommodate 100 to 180 persons. Perfect for celebration or kahit simple food trip lang. Let's go! What make they stand out is wala silang time limit, no hidden charge. No time limit means you can truly relax and savor every bite. So relax ka lang, kumain na walang pressure. At talagang dito lang yan sa Food Club Alabang. And these are my favorite foods na talagang ang sarap kainin. And dessert, of course. Their newest naman is yung ihaw-ihaw. What are you waiting for? For reservation and inquiries, DM their page. Come here!